Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made by Unique, and today we're just going to discuss about a new Chrome mobile phone Chrome browser update. It's called Chrome Group Tabs or Group Tabs Chrome. It's a group of tabs that you can just easily customize and you can just place and you can just easily view it and you can just open it. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to become subscriber and below we just quickly move on to the video. So I'm just going to show a update of a Android Chrome. It's actually about the tab groups. So if you just click on the tab group on the top near the profile picture, this is actually the tab and the tab groups. It shows the mix of tabs and tab group in the searching. There is total of 65 tabs here with the tab groups. But I just need only to see all the tab groups that I just created in my Chrome. So for that, there is update near you can see on the top tabs, you have a icon. It's a tab group. Click on that. So after clicking on the tab groups, you just need to update the Chrome first. Then you can see all the groups I have created as is showing here. So it also shows when I just created and how many tabs are inside the group tabs and also with the color and the name. So here you can just easily access and customize the tabs. For an example, if you just need to click on the two dots and click, you can just open it or edit it and you just click it and you can just view it everything. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made by Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.